What's up YouTube? This is Jay Scotty Son back with another Pokemon YouTube video. In this video I'll be covering these Lemon cards. I got this a couple years back and pretty excited to show you guys. You know, every time I make a video I want to show you guys something. So these were made in Europe in 2006. They're pretty cool. You can kind of see who's in there, you know, like that one's Executor. This one's got Mewtwo in it. There's 5 in each, and you never know. I mean, you do know some, like that's clearly a Charmander hanging out in there. And then it looks like a Metapod hanging out in the back. Like, who's that Pokemon was tough? Yeah, this is a little bit more tough. You know, Beedrill. Yeah, there's a Caterpie in this one. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys these. Zapdos. But there's 4 behind the first one, and it's really hard to tell which one is there, you know? You want to open them. These go for about 20 bucks a piece on eBay. And then the singles go for about 5 bucks a piece. Obviously, if there's a starter, it's going to be a little bit more. Wanted to open up some packs again. Searching for the Dragonite. Really just trying to get a Dragonite. But it's not the only one I'd be excited for. All right, let's get some of this wrap off. All right, take the hollow off the front. Go through some commons. Magmar. I don't know if we've seen Magmar yet. Mysterious Fossil is the trainer. Yeah, Mysterious Fossil. Alright, so for our hollow, it's looking pretty clean, as Japanese cards often do. We got a Magneton. Alright, that's our first Magneton. Not terrible. Centering looks good. There's no nicks at the top. Sometimes there's been little nicks at the top, I've noticed. But yes, that hollow looks mighty clean. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up another pack. Get that into a card saver right away. I think I might even open up a 3rd pack for this video, because I really want a Dragonite in my hands. And not only do I want a Dragonite, I want one in Gem Mint 10 condition. So if I get a Dragonite, I'd like it to be a 10. There's the commons. And for our holo rare, nice centering. We got an Aerodactyl. Clean looking card. Mainly lately I've just been looking at the top, because a couple of them I've noticed after the video that there's like a little nick right on the top. Maybe from me opening the pack, I don't know. Alright, Aerodactyl's not a bad hit. Right in the middle of this set. Put our hits in the background there. All right. Pretty much anything but Muck I'm a happy camper with. And just so you guys know, oh, it's a Ditto. Well, there's that, but just so you know, it's snowing pretty good out today. So yeah, we got ourselves a Ditto. Let's check the condition. It's a little off center to the left, but other than that, it's all right. What do you think? I should open up a 4th pack? Kind of lackluster video, and I messed up that card pretty good there. Yeah, I'm gonna open up a 4th pack. Why not? This is gonna be the one. Oh, I'm butchering this one. All right, saving it, saving it. All right, no reveal right away like last pack. That was pretty funny. Wasn't really paying attention because I wanted to show you guys how much snow it's going. All right, Mr. Fuji. This is one of the coolest artworks. It's got all of them. Lickitung, Poliwag, Weedle, Cubone, and the Chunkster. Okay, so last holo of the video. Looks great. Revealed. It is an Articuno. I am a happy camper off of that. And it looks great too. It's a little bit shifted to the left, as you guys can tell, but what's that? Is that a little scratch? No, it's gone. Nice. Sweet. Take care, YouTube.